Hi everyone, Diane here. Gang, so glad to have you here again today. And I'm going to go to the next step, the ninth step to effective anti aging skincare, and that is niacinamide. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3, and this is so crucial to your health, inside and out. Um, it's a particularly crucial ingredient to accomplishing anti-aging properties in skincare, but it can also be very fragile and harmful if not sourced or formulated properly. A vitamin B3 deficiency can be so detrimental and actually lead to death if severe. This is not a vitamin you want to run low on. It helps turn food into energy and keeps your skin and nervous system healthy. It helps build keratin, a type of protein that keeps your skin firm and healthy, and it just provides so many benefits. I'm going to skim over a few that concern anti-aging skincare particularly. Vitamin B3 assists in building up your lipid barrier, which helps retain moisture in your skin, and it minimizes redness and blotchiness while helping with symptoms of eczema, acne, and other inflammatory skin issues. So this is really crucial to healthy, beautiful skin. It plays a big part in minimizing the appearance of large pores by keeping skin smooth and moisturized. It actually can assist in natural pore size reduction over time. And I know that that is an issue that a lot of people get upset about. This one ingredient regulates oil from your sebaceous glands, so you no longer have that overdrive of oily skin. If you have oily skin, you want to have that vitamin B3 because it's going to really control that. It also protects your skin against sun damage while concurrently building healthy skin cells. So, it's a great ingredient to depend on to treat hyperpigmentation. It lightens dark spots and increasing collagen production, which is always a good thing. You want that strong collagen in there. It works wonders for minimizing fine lines and wrinkles thanks to the natural properties that imitate what our systems naturally produce, but our natural levels decrease with age and exposure. So you'll love the fact that it protects against oxidative stress, helping build cells while protecting against sunlight, pollution, and toxins we are exposed to constantly. It's a great anti-aging property. And finally, it is a great aid in treating acne and severe breakouts and scarring. It can help tremendously. So niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, is really crucial in your skin health. And as I said, it helps your food turn into energy. So you really want that in your system. And taking a vitamin B3 supplement is not always the answer because by itself it's very difficult to absorb and get it in your system. So it's part of a full, balanced approach. And as I've mentioned before, below I have a link to all of my tips. And in there, I do y'all a favor by introducing you to the skincare line that I've used for over 20 years that I absolutely love and adore and depend on because it delivers the results. I have clients that see results within 24 hours, easily within a week. You're going to notice a real improvement in your skin. And that is something that incorporates all of these tips, actually, where I've learned this information from. So go do your research, look at it, see if there's another skincare line that takes care of you the way this one does. If you want the easy way out, just come on, check it out, and I will be glad to discuss it with you in detail and how it can help you personally. And we can organize a custom regime for you. So, thanks for joining again. I hope you'll like or subscribe to whichever platform you're joining me on. Click the link below, get the tips, and let's have the conversation. Go ahead, comment, give me your private messages. I love the conversations that we've been having, and I so appreciate y'all's participation in it. And I look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. Thanks.